Hey guys, it's the last video of Grant Supercar Toy Garage Sale Find. Oh, look at all these cars. Guess how many? I just counted them all. Oh, cars, planes, vehicles, look at them all. This is crazy. So, do you want to get into these last ones? Haha, let's do it!
Who loves racing? This is another Johnny Roman Toy Car Case event. This is Race the Case. If it's in the case, it's gonna race. We don't care what it is, to the finish line.
Oh, ho, 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 this is crazy. Look at all these cars. As far as the eye can see, all the way over there. This is an 8-foot board, just to give you an idea. So let's go through these last cars. The cars that are left are the ones in the cards. Gen 5, 2010 to 2015. Same legend. Oh, look at that. 2012 Camaro ZL1 concept. Oh, that is sweet. Oh, just done right on every aspect of that. And here is all the cars that go in that series. Whoa, let's see what this one is. Oh, Austin minivan, 1967, Campbell's Garage, FC on there. City Works, pretty sweet ride. He had great taste, I think, in cars, or whoever was buying them. Oh, look, here's a QR code. You can scan that and do the Hot Wheels Showdown. This is 2015, so that's a 5-year-old car. What is this one? Euro style. Hot Wheels car culture. Fiat 500. Now, we've seen a lot of these, but not in the package. Pretty nice. Metal on metal, it says, and here are your other cars that you can see. Oh, this is crazy, man, crazy. Time a Taxi. Oh, look at that. Kind of funky town on that. Got little wings on it. Pistons shooting out there, or is that air intake? If it was me, it'd be pistons shooting out. What? You're supposed to oil a car? Oh, that is crazy. Five Below, $250 for this one. Why is this one so special? The Christmas one. Oh, look at that. That's pretty sweet. Dodge Viper. A little crazy on the tempo, but I guess it's for Christmas. Maybe you'll see this in the Christmas openings. In our Christmas countdown. You never know. You never know. What do we got here? Oh, the toilet car. Gotta go. Love this. Kind of got that mean chop top truck look with a toilet on the back. Probably less choking hazards, and that's why they updated. See, that lid goes up and down. 2015. Look at this one, Saul. Matchbox. Hot Wheels. The VW logo. Matchbox on the door. Now I do like the van that you just showed in your video. It's in the same series, but it's like a delivery, no windows, and it just says Matchbox across the back. It's pretty cool. This is a premium collection. Includes realistic tire treads, 6 decorations exclusive to the best of Matchbox collection. Oh, this is series number 2. That's pretty cool. Matchbox with the box. I like that. Then we got this, the M2. Look at this thing. It is a Dodge Auto Trucks. Oh, look, 32 individual parts. Whoa, you can yank this whole thing apart. Hopefully you can get it back together again. Sales and service, that's a pretty sweet. Look at that front end on that. Great detail on that. This is just really... It's in a plastic case too. Limited to 5,880 pieces. I think that's how many pieces were in this collection. Oh, and then we've got Star Wars. Now, I know, being a nerd and all that I am, I should know more about Star Wars, but I don't. Rebel Alliance, Enforcer. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. You got Scorcher, Scoopa, Defleeg, Barrage, Strong down the Stodata, Irora Pachabara, Fast Felly, Wabata, Prototype H24, and the Enforcer. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8 cars. Maybe we got a whole collection here. Here's the Jedi Order, the Scorcher. Look at that. Pretty sweet. Here's that Scoopa de Fago or whatever it is. Look at that. Talk about a flame job on it. It's lightning flames. Oh, this scaredy guy. Let's see what else is there. The prototype. Let's see if I can find that one. Here it is. H24. That looks pretty much like a regular Hot Wheels, you'd see. Well, maybe the fins going up in that. Pretty nice. Got Darthy on there. And here is the next one. Whatever that is. Oh, that one's pretty sweet. Look at the side view on that. I'm liking that one. That is really good. Star Wars actually printed on there. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. What's the next one? Fast Felon. Which is right here. These look like they'd be great on the track, but it's like there's a whole set here. Now these cards are a little beat up and bashed up, and you know, for me, I don't mind it, but for the serious collectors, they would not put up with this. It would need to be pristine, but these cars, let me tell you, still in the package, and those are pristine. Very nice. Then we got this one, which is here. Oh, that's funky. Pretty cool. Got the Star Wars logo on it. Oh, got a little detail underneath. Kind of nice. Packaging is just killer on this. So cool. Got Disney all over it. And this is the last one. Yep, that's the whole set. Kit and caboodle, all in one noodle. What? It's a super treasure hunt? No, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't know a super treasure hunt if it ended up in my cornflakes in the morning. Look at this thing. That is so sweet. Oh man. Might have to go watch some Star Wars movies after this one. Oh, well, there you got it. I think that is it for the Grant's Super Garage Sale. Here's all the cars at eye level, so you can kind of get an idea of what's all in here. Holy smokes, it's crazy. So much fun. I'm hoping maybe coming up soon we might be able to show off some new cars. If everything works out okay, we'll see. We've got so many other cars to go. But now I've got to kind of categorize and organize these babies. So all those challenges, there's a Matchbox challenge going on. There's a Matchbox back there. And there was a flame challenge. Oh, there's got to be a flamed car in here somewhere. Woo! I'm telling you, go to Saul and check him out. Follow all his followers, and they got some really fun stuff going on. They're spilling over into the Supper Club too, which is really cool. Great videos. Just look down the comments and click on the names, and you can see what these guys are doing. Now, all the cool ones I put kind of back in this corner. These are the ones that I really like. Thought stood out to me. Just really fun. And I forgot about these back here. These three back here, which were really cool. So that added 3 to our count. I did not count figures. I did not count pieces and parts like Lego parts and stuff like that, but I did count all the cars, all the airplanes, all the motorcycles. So, oh, I'm telling you, just crazy. So, do you have a favorite out of all these? There's just too many to look at. I'm going to need a couple days to unwind this thing and kind of put them all back together. But let me tell you, thanks for riding through this. Oh, look at this. I forgot one more Monster Jam Off-Road Higher Education School Buster. What's this? Busting school children. Oh, look at that. It even has like a ram on the front that you can clip on. That is really cool. I love the monster truck stuff. And to see one in the package is pretty cool. Here's all your different ones. Oh, I'm telling you, it's getting hot out here. Oh, look. It snaps on. And then the battle begins. That is cool. I do have some SSP, I forgot. You know, remember the Ripcord? And they're the Demolition Derby cars. Now, I don't know if they're complete or not, but those are coming up in upcoming videos, which is just so cool. There are so many cars here. Oh! Are you feeling like you're, you know, just overcrowded? You just want to go out and stand in an empty parking lot for a while? That's how I feel. Oh, we have some great cars in here. So much fun. Thank you, Grant. Thank you guys for all watching. Remember, like and subscribe. I know you guys scroll through, and that's totally okay, because some of these are really long. But there's some really cool cars in here. I hope you don't miss them. Even some of these trucks in here, they were just beautifully done. I did find the back end to the one truck. It was a big plastic thing that we found. Let's see if I can find it really quick and I can show you where it... Here it is. Look at that. That piece fit on this truck, and now this truck is gorgeous. It was missing the flatbed on it. But that thing is really cool now. So again, I'm just telling you, cars are cool. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks, gals, cats, kittens, Elliots, Maisies. I hope you guys are enjoying your day. Tomorrow's Sunday. So rock on. Hopefully you're going to church service somewhere. And we will see you coming up. We had, I think it's 20 videos. All in a row, one a day. It was almost like a Christmas countdown here. We just missed wrapping and unwrapping presents. So thanks for coming out to the Supper Club. We'll be racing soon. Rock on, rock on. I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on old Johnny Clark. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be.